Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're looking at Cursor AI, an AI-powered code editor designed to enhance your programming efficiency. This video is split into timestamps, so if you want to skip to a specific part, feel free. Let's get started. What is Cursor AI and what does it do? Cursor AI is a code editor that integrates artificial intelligence to assist developers in writing, editing, and understanding code more effectively. It offers features like intelligent code completion, natural language editing, and contextual understanding of your code base by predicting your next edits and allowing you to update entire classes or functions with simple prompts. Cursor AI streamlines the coding process. Price. Cursor AI offers a free version with robust AI features. They also provide a pro plan with additional capabilities, such as access to more powerful AI models and extended context windows for deeper code understanding. How to use Cursor AI. 1. Download the editor. Visit cursor.ai to download the current version for your operating system. 2. Install and setup. Follow the installation instructions and import your preferred extensions, themes, and key bindings. 3. Start coding. Open your project in Cursor AI and begin coding as usual. 4. Utilize AI features. Use natural language prompts to generate or edit code and take advantage of intelligent code completions. That wraps up our review of Cursor AI. If you're curious about anything I didn't cover, drop your question in the comments. I'll make a video just for that. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI insights. Thanks for watching.